Beauty in Simplicity, Embracing Minimalist Makeup Looks. Title: Beauty in Simplicity, Embracing Minimalist Makeup Looks. Introduction: 150 words. In a world inundated with beauty trends and extravagant makeup looks, the elegance of minimalist makeup is making a powerful comeback. Minimalist makeup focuses on enhancing natural features and defining beauty through simplicity. It celebrates individuality and offers an alternative approach for those seeking a more subtle and fuss-free aesthetic. With its ability to accentuate one's unique features, minimalist makeup can effortlessly transform any look, leaving a lasting impact. In this article, we explore the concept of minimalist makeup, why it has gained popularity, and how to achieve it. Understanding minimalist makeup, 300 words. Minimalist makeup is a philosophy that highlights the beauty inherent in simplicity. It is about enhancing one's natural features while avoiding heavy makeup application. The focus is on bringing out the best in one's skin, eyes, and lips, rather than masking them under layers of products and heavy contouring. The appeal of minimalist makeup lies in its ability to enhance and complement one's features without overpowering or transforming them entirely. It allows the individual to radiate confidence, acknowledging that simplicity can be stunning. The benefits of minimalist makeup, 300 words. 1. Time saving. The minimalist approach saves valuable time during a daily makeup routine, making it ideal for those with busy schedules. The techniques are quick, uncomplicated, and require minimal product application. 2. Natural appearance. Minimalist makeup aims to enhance rather than mask one's natural beauty. By focusing on subtle techniques and using lightweight products, it creates a more natural appearance that allows the skin to breathe. 3. Versatility. Minimalist makeup is incredibly versatile, suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to formal events. Its simplicity allows for easy adaptation and customization, according to personal preferences. Achieving a minimalist makeup look, 500 words. 1. Skincare as a foundation. Prioritize skincare as the foundation of minimalist makeup. Nourish and care for your skin, ensuring a healthy and well-hydrated canvas before applying any makeup products. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect with SPF. 2. Emphasizing natural complexion. Begin by using a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone. Aim for light to medium coverage, allowing your skin's natural texture to shine through. Conceal any blemishes or dark circles with a minimal amount of concealer. 3. Enhancing the eyes. Emphasize your eyes by defining your eyebrows softly with a brow gel or pencil, focusing on filling in any sparse areas while maintaining a natural appearance. Opt for neutral eyeshadows and subtle shades to enhance your eye shape without overpowering it. Finish with a coat of mascara to accentuate your lashes. 4. Subtle cheek definition. Add a touch of color and dimension to your face with a natural blush or bronzer. Apply sparingly to the apples of your cheeks, blending it out seamlessly for a healthy flush or sun-kissed glow. 5. Lips. In minimalist makeup, lips can be kept simple or made a focal point with a natural hue of lip color or a tinted lip balm. Minimalist makeup essentials, 250 words. To achieve a minimalist makeup look, it's important to have a few key products in your arsenal. These essentials will help you create a simple and effortless look that enhances your natural beauty. 1. Lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer. Opt for a lightweight formula that provides light to medium coverage. This will allow your skin to breathe while evening out your complexion. 2. Concealer. choose a concealer that matches your skin tone to hide any blemishes or dark circles. Use a minimal amount and blend it seamlessly for a natural finish. 3. Brow gel or pencil. Define your eyebrows softly with a brow gel or pencil. Fill in any sparse areas while maintaining a natural appearance. 4. Neutral eyeshadows. Invest in a palette of neutral shades that complement your eye color. These subtle shades can be used to enhance your eye shape without overpowering it. 5. Mascara. A coat of mascara can make a significant difference in defining your lashes and opening up your eyes. Opt for a mascara that provides length and separation without clumping. 6. Blush or bronzer. Add a touch of color and dimension to your face with a natural blush or bronzer. Apply sparingly to the apples of your cheeks, blending it out seamlessly. 7. Lip color. Choose a natural hue of lip color or a tinted lip balm to keep your lips simple yet polished. This will add a finishing touch to your minimalist makeup look. By having these essentials in your makeup collection, you'll be well equipped to achieve a beautiful and minimalist makeup look anytime, anywhere. B. Embracing minimalism in your beauty routine, 200 words. Minimalist makeup isn't just about the products you use, it's also about adopting a minimalist mindset in your beauty routine. Here are a few tips to help you embrace minimalism and simplify your makeup routine. 1. Declutter your collection. Regularly go through your makeup collection and declutter any products that you no longer use or that are past their expiration date. This will help you streamline your collection and focus on the essentials. 2. Invest in multi-purpose products. Look for products that serve multiple purposes, such as a lip and cheek tint or a highlighter that can double as an eyeshadow. This will minimize the number of products you need and save you time and space. 3. Opt for quality over quantity. Instead of buying every new makeup release, consider investing in high-quality products that you know you'll love and use frequently.